I'm about to expose 5 cars that are designed, not by accident, but by design to self-destruct the moment your warranty ends. And I'm going to show you the receipts. This isn't a conspiracy theory, it's a business model. And in the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly which cars to avoid, which parts will fail, and what to say when a dealer tries to gaslight you. If you're car shopping right now, this could save you $50,000. Let's go. Number 5, the Chevrolet Trax and Buick Encore. These look like normal small SUVs, but every single cooling system component is made of cheap plastic. Thermostat housing, water outlet, intake manifold, all plastic. Your engine heats and cools hundreds of times per week. Plastic expands and contracts differently than metal. After 60,000 miles, these parts become brittle and start cracking. Here's the trap. They don't all fail at once. You fix the thermostat for $800. 3 weeks later, the water outlet cracks, another $1,200. Month after that, intake manifold, $600 more. By the time you're done, you've spent more than the car is worth. If a dealer tries to sell you a used one, ask, has the entire cooling system been replaced? When they say no, and they will, walk away. These are unfixable by design. Number 4, the Nissan Rogue with the Jatco transmission CVT. Nissan settled a $127 million class action lawsuit over these. Let me show you why. CVTs use a belt instead of gears. Nissan calls them sealed for life, which sounds great until you realize they mean the transmission's life, not the car's life. When this belt fails at 80,000 miles, and it will, Nissan won't sell you internal parts. Your only option is a complete remanufactured unit for $3,500 on a car worth $9,000. The car is worth less than the repair. That's literally the definition of disposable. If you're looking at a used Nissan, ask the dealer, can you show me written proof the CVT was serviced every 30,000 miles with OEM fluid? When they can't, say, then discount this by $4,000 or I walk. Number 3, anything with Ford's 1.0-liter EcoBoost. They put a rubber timing belt inside the engine, swimming in oil. Motor oil contains detergents designed to break down organic materials. Rubber is organic. This belt is committing suicide from day one. Ford says these last 150,000 miles. Real world, they fail at 80,000. And because it's inside the engine, replacing it requires removing the cylinder head. That's 12 hours of labor. $89 belt, $150 per hour labor times 12 hours equals $1,800, plus parts, plus fluids. You're looking at $3,500 minimum. Miss the replacement window? Engine replacement, $8,000. Quick practical advice. Own one, change it at $60,000, not $150,000. Shopping? Avoid this engine completely. Number 2, the Tesla Model Y. Tesla revolutionized manufacturing by casting entire car sections in one piece. Brilliant for speed, nightmare for you. In a normal car, if you damage the rear quarter panel, a shop cuts out the section and welds in a replacement. $2,500 repair. With a Model Y, the entire rear third is one solid piece of aluminum. You can't cut it, you can't weld it without destroying its strength. Insurance companies are totaling Model Ys after 20-mile-per-hour parking lot accidents because the only fix is replacing an $18,000 mega casting. I've seen $12,000 in damage, total a $55,000 car. And if it gets salvaged, Tesla can remotely disable supercharging. You can't use 80% of fast charging infrastructure. It's a brick. Buying used Tesla? Demand full insurance claim history. If it shows any structural damage code, offer 40% below market or walk. And number 1, the Mercedes GLE with the 48-volt mild hybrid battery. When this dies, your $70,000 luxury SUV becomes a paperweight. This battery powers the starter motor and half of the electrical system. When it dies, average lifespan 6 to 8 years, the car won't even attempt to start. You can't jump it, you can't bypass it. Here's the scam. This generic lithium battery of identical capacity, $380. Mercedes charges $4,400 because they encrypted the battery management software. Only dealers can install it. This isn't luxury, it's a hostage situation. You are 100% dependent on the dealership. When they quote $7,000, say, "I need this itemized. I'm filing an FTC complaint on anti-competitive practices under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act." Pause. Watch them scramble. So, what's really happening here? Follow the money. In 2024, dealers make $1,200 profits selling you a car, but $4,800 from servicing it over its lifetime. They make 4 times more money fixing your car than selling it. So, manufacturers started engineering cars that must come back to the dealership. Sealed transmissions, proprietary batteries, software locks. This isn't incompetence, it's strategy. 2000 Civic, you could change oil, battery, alternator with basic tools. 2024 Civic, battery under the floor. Oil change requires dealer reset. Transmission, sarcastically, sealed for life. But here's the thing, reliable cars still exist. Engineers who care still exist. They're just at companies that haven't been hijacked by accountants. Here's what I need from you. If you found this valuable, share it with one person who's car shopping right now. The dealers are betting you won't do this research. Direct and powerful. Prove them wrong. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's make disposable cars unprofitable. Drop a comment telling me which brand burned you the most. I read every single one. See you in the next one.